Hello, we are in the second day of the Chennai Pen Show, and I'm here for the first time at the ST Dupont counter. Is this the first time that you are taking part in this show?
Yes, sir.
This is the first time, and I have with me Sheikh Sahab, Mr. Wasim Sheikh, who's come all the way from Middle East to represent. And Dupont happens to be hugely popular in the Middle East, and and that's why they decided that Sheikh Sahab should be, representing them here.
Yes, sir.
So he's here with us. Tell us about the brand and tell us about what pens you have.
ST Dupont is a brand they had started since 1872. They had started with leather accessories. Then expansion to it, they had started, like you can see when we go from invention, they had started leather accessories in 1872. Later on they started, if you have heard about jet lighters. So ST Dupont was the first to launch the jet lighters. They had started that invention of jet lighters. When they had sold some lighters to a famous lady, if you have heard about John F. Kennedy. So her wife had purchased a lighter from ST Dupont. So she wanted something similar from writing instrument which will compare to its lighter.
Okay.
So she has asked the brand, can we make a pen for them? So we agreed, and we had customized a pen for them. So later on we started pens also.
So these are the pens. And
Yes,
what is the kind of range that you have?
Range, if we are talking about, it starts from a collection called D Initial. It starts from 20,600 for a ballpoint. When we talk about ballpoints, so ballpoint refill, that's the main part, but that is the main interesting part for the ballpoint also, sir.
Okay.
When we come to ballpoints, they had introduced the easy flow refills in ballpoints, which is as smooth as a roller ball. When you see a ballpoint, we have to give a hard start. But when you try a DuPont ballpoint, that would be an easy flow refill, which will give you a smooth glide, and you start writing easily. Then when we come to fountain pens, the special part is the body of the pen. If you have heard about the lacquer coating, so DuPont was the brand who introduced Chinese lacquer in pen industry.
Okay.
So when we talk about Chinese industry, the Chinese lacquer, it's a very precious lacquer which has been used. So how much the layer goes on coated, the price goes on increasing, because it is a very rare kind of lacquer that has been used in this pencil. So ST Dupont is the brand which does 10 times lacquer coating on their pencil. So
That is how the price goes up.
Yeah, not 10 times, but comparatively, according to the quality what they are providing us. When we see then the nibs they are make 14 karat solid gold nibs. But according to the trims, if it's a silver trim, like it's a palladium trim, so the nib will go according to that. And also the plus point in the fountain pens, when we come to fountain pens, there are 3 types of fountain pens: large, medium and XL. So the person who has a small hand, he can use a large. Who has a big hand, medium hand, he can use a large, medium size. And who has a extra large, like to have collection, so there is an XL. You can just have a look at that also. You can just feel it, the size of the pen.
And very heavy. Oh. So it's beautifully balanced.
Yes, sir. Though being a heavy pen, once you take a grip
hold
of
it
it,
in the hand,
yes,
then-
that's the main part in this pen, sir. You won't find it unbalancing in any of the pen which you are seeing out over here, sir. So there is one special collection for ladies also. It's called Liberty.
Okay.
So the collection starts D Initial, then Defi, Liberty. Liberty we dedicate specially for ladies because it's been designed like that.
Okay.
And because of the jazziness, you can see the gold plating and whatever we have designed in that. So it's accordingly, we can say it's a specially ladies collection. When we come after that to the Line D collection, Line D collection has a huge variant. Large, medium, XL. Then these are some special collections, which is Vitruvian. This is an if you see the pen, there is an artwork been done on the cap. So it was a very famous artwork. Of Leonardo da Vinci.
Da Vinci, the Vitruvius man.
Yes. So that's been
Here you
carved,
have that.
totally handcrafted on the pen's body.
And it's written Da Vinci here.
So it's been tribute to that, and the pen has been
Okay, so you keep it that way.
so that's the main part which can be visible easily.
And how do you rate the Chennai show?
Yeah, it's a very good place for us. Actually, we can say a good comeback we will be getting out, and we are hoping for the best because after 10 to 12 years, DuPont is there in India. Because as per our history, since 2014-15, there was no brand in India. Internationally, it was happening, but the Indian market was not happening, having the DuPont brand. So we have tried to come back again, and we are very much positive that we get that
You
response.
will certainly with products like
Yes,
this.
sir.
And what message do you have for our viewers?
Viewers, always welcome, because this is the position where you can see a huge variety of pens from Indian market to international market with you can say each and every brand has different kinds of
No,
craftsmanship.
but what about your brand? What message do you have from DuPont?
DuPont is an exceptional way, we can say, sir. So for Indian market, it's again a relaunch, and it would be a bang back for Indian market. So we are hoping for the best, and always welcome to all the viewers, so that you can have a look and enjoy the feel and look of the pens.
Thank you.
Most
Thank you.
welcome,
Thank
sir.
you so much.